So question 12 is all on algebra. So part A, we've got to solve. Now we've got 3a plus 10 equals a plus 40. Okay, so we've got a's on both sides of our equation. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw my lines going down the middle. Okay. Now we need to make sure that our letters are all on one side. So to do that, we always get rid of the smallest a. So a is smaller than 3a. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract a from each side. Okay, so doing this allows us to eliminate a from this side. So on the right, I'm just going to have it equals 40. And on this side, I'm going to have, well, 3a take away a gives me 2a. So 2a plus 10 equals 40. Now, just like I got the letters on one side of my equation, I need to get the numbers on the other side. So we need to get rid of this plus 10. So the opposite of adding 10 is taking away 10. So if we take away 10 from both sides, we are going to end up with 2a equals, and then 40 take away 10 is 30. Okay, and then to go from there, well, that's what 2a is. I just want to know what a is. So we then need to go through and divide both sides by 2. And we will then have our answer. So we will get a equals, and then 30 divided by 2 is 15. Now remember, you can always use your calculator for that if you are struggling. So part a equals 15. Okay, part B says factorise, and then we've got x squared take away 2x take away 8. Now factorise, we need to remember, means I want to put it into brackets, and because we've got it's in the form x squared take away something x take away 8, we know it's a quadratic, so I'm going to need to have 2 brackets in my answers. Okay, so we need to think about, well, what numbers add, so what numbers times even, to give me minus 8, and add to give me minus 2. So let's look at the factors of minus 8. We have, you can do 1 times minus 8. You can do minus 1 times 8. So minus 1 times 8. And then we can also do 2 times minus 4. So 2 times minus 4. And minus 2 times 4. Now, those are all our factors of minus 8. What we now need to think of was, well, which of these pairs adds to give me minus 2? Well, it's definitely not going to be either these top 2 pairs. So we're looking at these 2. So which pair adds to give me minus 2? Well, minus 4 add 2 is minus 2, so we're going to be using this pair here. Alright, so that means I'm going to have 2 sets of brackets. Hopefully this will be nice and neat. It's x squared, so I'm going to have an x in each one. And then we've got 2, so that's just a positive 2. So x plus 2. And then we've got minus 4, so x minus 4 goes in the second bracket. And it doesn't matter what way round you write these. So it could be x take away 4 and then x plus 2, just as long as you've got them there. And that is how you do question 12.